Welcome everyone. Now at first let's create our new folder. Our new folder will be TLC. And now let's open our VS Code. Now here you can see the folder TLC, and if it is not given, then you can click here in open folder and you can open it easily. Now let's clear it, and now let's create our new file. Let's name it as first.html, and here HTML is used as extension, so we have to use it for creating HTML. Now let's create the boilerplate code of HTML. Now in this section we can add our title, which will show up in our browser, in our live server. And here head, these are metadata, and inside the title, now let's set our title. Just wait. First HTML file. Now inside body, now let's create our visible section, and inside the body I use heading number 1. Welcome to our website. Website creation journey. Now let's go to go live for running our live server. Here you can see the result. In H1 the result is clear. Now inside our paragraph tag, let's write something. Do subscribe to our channel. Again we will go to our live server. Here you can see the output clearly. Now let's add some new content, like we add Marquee tag. Inside it I use H1 heading type, and inside it I write TLC. Now again open our live server and see the results. Yes, here you can see the animated text. It is created by using Marquee tag. So this much for today, and this is my first video, so I hope you will understand, and from tomorrow we will do more.